Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. And today we did a little thing of painting, I guess you could say, or spray paint, or actually use Rustoleum to get rid of the rust that was on this truck. So as you guys know, this is my new truck. You guys saw in the last video, this is a 2018 F150 STX package. Now this came from up north, and what happens when you get a car or a vehicle or any kind of thing from up north, vehicle, truck, you'll get rust in the on the steel because of the salt that they lay down on the roads. All the corrosion causes the frame to rust. So what we did is, I live in Florida, so we're not gonna have any more problems like that here, but what we did was we took Rustoleum and we were able to spray it to make it look a lot better. So we did this side, we also did the other side, and then we went and did the hitch as well with a satin black look, and I think it turned out great. And I'm gonna show you guys a video of us doing it. Just wanted to show you what that looks like. But we went and did all that. We went and painted all of this in here, and got rid of the rust look. And you guys will see a video of what it looked like before while we were doing it, and this is what it looks like after. So from back here, the truck looks a lot better. I mean, it looks like it's brand new. This is actually a used truck. The 2018 is 2 years old. But wow, what a difference that made it look. Let's go back over to this side. And yeah, you can get a can of Rustoleum paint, $7 probably, Home Depot. $8, I don't even know how much it is. And go ahead and spray it yourself. Just be careful not to get on the plastic or get it on the exhaust or anything. Just take your time. If you have to mask or tape up stuff and mask things off, go ahead and do that. You guys will see on the video that we had to go ahead and put some masking tape with some paper to cover up the bumper while we did the hitch. I just gotta go ahead and get a cap. We're good to go. So let me show you guys what the process looks like right now.
And you don't want to get shiny black, you want to get like satin. That's what this is. They're never shiny.
Yeah, once it dries, it's like a flat black.
Well, it's satin. A little shiny.
Not gloss.
No.
Do the other side. Other side's painted too. Front. Yep. Makes the truck look a lot better. Yeah, so I guess for the hitch, I have to tape this part off. Do you know where we can get a cap for this?
Yeah. You can order one from Ford if you want to get a Ford one. I have a Toyota one.
This is it, right? Like that. So from the back, that looks really good.
Here we go. Here they are. North.
lot better.
I gotta do mine. My truck. Looks pretty bad too.
So there you guys go. That is a basic, easy mod, I guess you can do to make your truck look a little nicer, or any vehicle that you have. And just go ahead and paint it. Obviously, my truck is black, so having black, you know, frames makes it look really great. But so yeah, just wanted to show you guys something that you can do to make the truck or vehicle look a little bit better. Because I know, like, the salt from up north, when they lay on the salt, it just gets all over the bottom and it corrodes the frame and it starts to rust. So, and it also protects the paint, or it protects the steel from rusting anymore by having that on there. So we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.